Welcome back students, welcome to practical session number 2. In session 1 we install the Oracle VirtualBox. Here you can see the shortcut, just double click the shortcut, then the window of Oracle VirtualBox will be opening. Okay, here is the window, so just click on new. Guys, today we are learning how to create a machine space to install 2008 server. So click on new virtual machine, then just wizard pop up, click on next, then here is the name of virtual machine. Guys, I'm choosing the name called Windows 2008 server because by seeing the name I need to know that what kind of the server is installed inside. So I just said Windows 2008 R2 server. Then guys, there is a operating system flavor. So Windows 2008 R2 server belongs to Microsoft. Just I'm leaving as it is, but if you can click, you can see Linux, Solaris and other flavors of operating system. So let's keep Microsoft Windows as it is. Then in the version, click on the version. Here you got plenty options to select. For me, just finding 2008 64-bit. Guys, I got Windows 7 running on my laptop, which is 64-bit. So that's why I selected Windows 2008 64-bit. Even if you don't have 64-bit, you can select 32-bit to install on your PC. Let's click on next. Here is the default memory proposing by your machine, that is 512 MB, but you can see I got 8 gig physical memory, so I can add some more memory to my virtual machine. I want my virtual machine to work faster, so I'm allocating 2 gig to this virtual machine. Click on next. So here is the new disk space. Always select create new hard disk space so that you're gonna have your personal space. So recommended is 25 gig. Click on next. Always VirtualBox disk image VDI need to be default, so keep as it is. Click on next. Here dynamically allocated. Okay, just keep the reader button as it is, because when your virtual machine disk space is full, it's always gonna borrow the space from the physical hard drive. So I like to have that one. And here is the thing. Okay guys, here is the default location for the guys. It's going to create in the C drive, but I want to be more organized, so I'm going to change the path, but you no need to do that one, but I want to be more organized. So let's click on that button. Then on the computer, if you can see, I got a hell lot of drives. Click on E drive. Here I got a dedicated virtual server folder, and even I created 2008 R2 folder. Then I'm just selecting the destination to save my virtual machine, and here the path is changed. Click next and just create. So guys, it's created the new virtual machine, and in order to install 2008 server, you need to start the created virtual machine. So Windows 2008 R2 server selected and press start. So here another wizard for us to install the Windows R2 2008 server. Click on next. Here host DVD, select installation media. Guys, let's minimize this one. I kept the installation image file on my desktop. So what I need to do is, let's make the image. Let's click on the icon, go to click on desktop, then you can see the Windows Server R2. Select that one, press open, and automatically it's selected. Click on next, click on start. Okay, the virtual machine windows optimized to work 32-bit color. Okay, just click on OK. There are some error pop-up messages which you need to select by reading the appropriate thing. Here is the Windows 2008. Let's make that window bigger. English, okay, I'm sure. Let's keep the defaults. Now I can click on install. The setup is starting. I'm sure. So here I got some options, guys. See, I need to install Enterprise Edition. So not the core one, but I'm just selecting R2 Windows Server Enterprise, then clicking on next, then I accept the license agreement, click on next. Here just custom and advanced selected, so that you can select the disk space. Guys, there is some laptops, they are not preloaded drivers, so on that case you can download those drivers, store in the USB, and you can click here, then you can guide those USBs. So fortunately you don't need to have that problem. So I'm just coming back and just selecting going as it is. Click on next. Now the installation is started. I'm sure we're going to rest pretty much until it's going done. It's going to take quite a while, I guess. Okay, let's minimize the window.